Hello guys, Royce here. I'm going to show you how to fix the model R500, also known as the Rivo Keurig espresso coffee machine. The problem is when you press the espresso single shot or double shot buttons, the device will make the pumping sound, it'll heat up, but it won't actually pump any water into the cup. The problem is a pressure valve on the inside. Basically, you have to snap off this ring around the edge and you remove the screws along the edge here. As you can see, there's probably 6 or so of them there. And you start by prying up on this side here. Well, you got to lift the handle up, pry here, and there's a pretty strong snap right here, hard to get to. Be careful you don't break it off because it can break. And you just lift this off. The actual pressure valve that regulates the pressure, that way this thing can build up steam and you know, for the steaming and everything else, is this piece right here. To remove this, this will be in here like such. You want to remove this little keeper and then very carefully pull the line out. There are 2 O-rings in there. You got to make sure you don't damage them or lose them because it will not seal once you get it fixed. So once you get the line removed, you grasp this with either a wrench, or I just used a pair of pliers, and unscrew it from the piercing body that punctures the holes into the cup, because the flow of water goes through here, through the little spikes that pierce the cup, through this, and now down at the bottom and out the hole here. There on the inside of this valve, there's a small metal plunger, and it seems to stick. The way you have to get this unstuck is what I did, is I removed it, of course, got it all apart, and had a small piece of, probably a screwdriver tip, just the back end of a bit that can fit, you know, not the sharp end, but just a flat end, pushed it, put it up in there, and just pushed it and worked the plunger back and forth several times, quite a while, and also unscrewed the end. This is an Allen, as you can see, probably about a 6 millimeter, maybe 7 millimeter Allen, and you can unscrew this. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but you can see there's a seam there. You can unscrew it and you can clean it out a little bit to see this one had a little bit of corrosion in it. Once I did that, the pressure valve worked fine. You can turn it on, it'll heat up, and then once it heats up, it beeps, lets you know this builds up steam, and it's not leaking, and it is working properly. Once you get it done, you just screw it back in there, screw it back to the body here. Just make sure you don't over tighten it. This is plastic, you can strip it out, so don't get it too tightened. And to show that it's working here, there you go. It is now flowing water. So once you do that, just put it all together. I've had to do this on this unit twice now, and that's pretty much all it takes to fix it. That's pretty much it. So hopefully this video helped you out, guys. If you have any questions, just post it up in the comments. I'll help you the best I can. I by no means am an expert on coffee makers. However, it's a lot cheaper to fix this than it is to buy a new $200, $300 unit, or however much it costs. Thanks, guys.